Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add Bitcoin USD pair on MT5 on PC in just a few simple steps. So let's dive in. First off, you want to go ahead and click view at the top. Then from here, you want to make sure market watch is turned on. Now let me show you how it looks like if it's turned off. There we go. So now let me turn this on. And this is basically your market watch. Now, what you want to do here is you want to scroll down until you see click to add. So click here, and then you want to type in BTC USD, this one, until you see Bitcoin versus USD. Then go ahead and click that, hit enter. And as you can see, it's already added right in here. And that's it. That's about it. Now you know how to add Bitcoin USD pair on MT5 on PC in just a few simple steps. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.